No, it's not Timothy Chalamet, who's been hit by a car and then for some reason heavily dusted with powdered sugar. It's me, Old Coder Guy, and today I thought I'd share some more suggestions on learning to program. A great resource you should all know about is the Stack Overflow Annual Developer Survey. You can Google that or go to this URL to see the latest results from May of 2023. These are responses collected from about 90,000 Stack Overflow users, and it provides a great overview across many different tech-related metrics. A few of you were looking for suggestions about good resources for learning to code, and rather than ask one salty yet charming old fuck on the internet, here you can see what 37,000 people think. And the main reason I'm making this video is this. What language should you learn? Well, the most popular, which also correlates to what's being most broadly adopted for projects right now, which implies there's plenty of demand for developers, are these, and these are exactly what I'd recommend: JavaScript, Python, and SQL. To give you an idea of my level of commitment to this, 2 years ago I registered japyqual.com, where I thought I'd talk about JavaScript, Python, and SQL, and then I did not. Now, you don't have to learn all of these, and which you should choose depends on what type of problems you like to work on. SQL is very specific to querying data in databases, so whether you should focus on that should be clear based on if you have any opportunities to use it. Between JavaScript and Python, if you know you want to do some web development, definitely learn JavaScript. If you're more into fucking around with shit on your local computer or a server, Python might be the better choice. Connecting this back to my other video about teaching programming, separate from their popularity, or I could argue part of the reason for their popularity, is that both JavaScript and Python let you do useful shit with the least amount of learning overhead. One of the big reasons for this is that they largely give no shits whatsoever about object and value types. If you don't know what that means, then put on a shirt made of tear-resistant fabric, find someone who does, and hug them tight while saying, "I'm sorry you have practical experience with compile-time strong types." Shh. Shh. It'll be okay. Shh. In contrast, a lot of intro to programming classes start with languages like C++. At risk of waking the computer science education kraken, I think starting out with C++ makes no fucking sense at all. It would be like an intro to cooking class that was just 12 weeks of memorizing pH levels of common foods, or a senior center class called Fun with Languages that teaches the geriatrics Latin. I mean, we all know that trip to Italy they keep talking about is never going to happen, but Jesus Christ, have some humanity. Don't mistake this for C++ hate. There's certainly a place for C++, just not in most modern business applications or any personal hobby project. C++ is a great language if you're trying to maximize your ratio of time invested to properly functioning output that does anything valuable, or you feel you're not sad enough. I hope this was helpful, and definitely check out the Stack Overflow survey. And for my fellow geriatrics, Barba Tennis Sapientes.